Hello friends, in this module we'll understand about hospitality, that is various services provided by the government and the people of Maharashtra to welcome tourists and other people visiting our state. Hospitality is not just a small term, it is a very big term with a lot of different meanings. The hospitality term is gaining more and more importance in the state of Maharashtra because the tourism of Maharashtra is going on increasing. Hospitality depends on the consumer satisfaction. The main aim of hospitality is to have customer satisfaction. Now, whenever we speak about any hotel management course or any other course that is related directly to serving the customers, the first thing that we learn is hospitality. So, hospitality means what? It means giving the consumer the worth for whatever they are paying. For this, the government has started a lot of different things. Like we all know, Mumbai to Goa, there is a cruise ship that has started. Like that, internal city cruise has also been started. Government has started a lot of different trains that give you a safari, that give you a ride of the entire state. Deccan Odyssey is one of these trains. It is one of the spectacular trains that is there. A lot of international tourists come to India just to sit in that train. It's not a normal train, it's a luxury train that is there. So, hospitality becomes very important, as we all say in India, Atithi Deva Bhava. That means the guest is equal to God. We believe in hospitality from day one. We have to be top notch to attract the maximum number of tourists. So, for that, hospitality gains a lot of importance in today's era. It is not just limited to one term, it is a multi-dimensional topic. As tourism is gaining more and more importance, therefore, hospitality is also becoming equally important. It is very important that people from different sectors understand the meaning. Thank you.